All right, Pro Cutters, back on the Four Seasons room job, and the customer took out the double doors so we can open it up into the house, and we're going to be laying down the same laminate that we put out here in the whole house. Now, I noticed when they were moving the furniture, they took a nick out of one of these. So this is my first time ever trying to replace one of these boards. Thankfully, it was right here at the edge. I was able to get it out. Now you'll notice the lip on this side busted apart, so I've got to use a razor knife to get it out of the underside of this, and then I should be able to drop this new board in and have it be good to go. And then we're going to put one more row of board here, then we'll be ready to start laying the house. And this is going to be a slight step up, so there'll be a transition piece here to make up that 1/4 inch difference. Stick around. Now, when you're doing laminate flooring, what you want to do is get yourself a multi-tool, and in your door openings, you're going to buzz out the bottom of the trim and the bottom of the door jamb, and you just get a scrap of your laminate and go to work. And then when you have everything cut out, you'll see your laminate will slide under there, and you wind up with a much cleaner finished product with no gaps at the edge. So that's how you do that. What's going on, Pro Cutters? If I could get you to take a minute, not even, just a couple of seconds, click that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and share this video and all my videos with your friends and family members. Have a great day.